Hi, this is Washabi, and this is the unboxing of the Casio G-Shock Full Metal 5000 GMWB 5000GD-1ER Black. Now, this is the full metal G-Shock by Casio. Now, as you can see from the various photos, these are some of the stuff that I got. But one of the complaints I have is the manual. It comes in a very big sheet, just like a visitor's map. So I think that's a bit of a misnomer. I think they should actually make it into a nice booklet form. But apart from that, the packaging is all standard as what you get from any typical G-Shock. You have the six-sided steel case, steel tin can, where the watch is actually kept. Now, as far as the uniqueness of this particular watch, the only thing that I think is also the first in my collection is the fact that it has Bluetooth. Now, this is actually very useful for me where I stay. I stay in Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia, because the multiband 6 functionality does not work where I come from, because we are definitely out of any of the coverage of the six radio towers that is predominantly in North America, Europe, and Northern Asia. So, but South Asia, no, we don't get it. So having Bluetooth helps a lot because it helps me get the best accuracy when it comes to timing every time I sync the watch or with my smartphone. Another thing I wanted to highlight is how the links of the bracelet is kept together. It is by spring bars, not by friction pin. Anyway, if you do like, please follow the channel, give it a like, and in the description below, you will also see the full write-up on this particular watch, which you can have details and the specifications. So anyway, thank you so much for watching. Till the next time.